Hi, this is Videhi and welcome to my vegan cooking channel. Here I'll be sharing with you my cooking creations from starters, mains, desserts and in between snacks. As tradition has it in my culture, I will be starting off with an offering of something sweet. And with Diwali around the corner, what better way to start off than with mithai? Super excited to share with you one of my all-time favorites, which I have veganized, my vegan Chana Magaj recipe. And this is how we go about it. We will need refined odorless coconut oil, cardamom powder, also known as elachi, ground almonds, besan flour, also known as Channa flour, rice milk powder, icing sugar, and some chopped almonds, which I have colored with some green and some red beetroot color. When our pan is nice and hot, we're going to add the oil. When the oil is melted, we're going to toss in the elachi powder, the ground almonds. I'm going to give this a nice quick stir. Toss in your besan flour and stir about for 10 to 15 minutes until it is nice and golden brown. Okay, this is a beautiful golden brown and this is exactly what we're looking for. To this we will add the rice milk powder and give this a nice stir, and we're just going to cook this for about a minute or so. Nice good mix. Turn off the heat. We're going to add the icing sugar and give this a nice mix. Make sure that you get out all the lumps. We can remove this from the heat and just mix in your icing sugar. And this is the exact consistency that we're looking for. We can just give this a bit of a taste. Delicious. Now we will just pour this into a lined container or a greased container. I like using a piece of cling wrap into a nice little container. It just makes it easier to pop out all those bits of goodness in here. Right, we got all of our Chana Magaj in here. We're going to garnish with our nibbed almonds. Just toss it all over in here. Make it all look nice and pretty. We're going to allow this to cool in a fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour, or in a nice cool place for a couple of hours, depending on how much time you have. I just like to pop it into the fridge. There we go. And the wait begins. And this is what we're looking for. Place it on a nice clean surface and just pop it out of your container. There we go. Perfect vegan Chana Magaj. This is set beautifully. We're going to take a nice sharp knife and cut them into blocks. You can measure them out nice and evenly. Oh, that is gorgeous. Perfect. And this is exactly what we're looking for. And now for that taste test. Smooth, creamy, and that authentic Chana Magaj taste. So there is definitely no missing out on Diwali or any celebratory occasion. And remember to make every day a V-Day.